Let's check out that Miller Maxstar 161 STL stick tick lift arc. First thing, open it up. Just 2 torque screws. It's easy to open. Have a look inside. The customers say it's not welding, so can be anything. Let's have a look. First thing, like always, check for anything burned. Sometimes it's happened. Input leads, the connectors are burned up. They're the black and the white leads. Or the output studs are arced out. Could be a loose connection. Okay, nothing to find here. Looks good so far, so let's power it up. It starts right away. Lift arc 130. Okay, the display works. No error code. Normally if something's wrong it gives you an error code. So it reacts to the potentiometer. Let's check the menu, the user menu. You press the menu button for 2 seconds. Then you have access to the user manual. You have 2 options. You can set the output remote control or permanent on. You choose it with the amperage button, remote or permanent on. This unit was set with 2 remote control, but the customer didn't bring a remote control, so I wonder if this is the problem. So I plug in my remote and see if I can turn on the output. And the output turns on. You can see it with the blue LED. That indicates output is on. The output is hot. Okay. Then let's put it on a load bank and see if we have output there. If we can measure anything. Again, it turns on with the remote control. Put a bit load on it. Well, let's see. Output turns on. I can adjust it. Yep. So we have output and I can adjust it with the remote control. The fan turns on. Nothing wrong with the machine so far. I cannot find anything. I think the customer's problem was just the setting. Right now it's set for remote. By turning the amperage button you switch it over to output on. That means the output is permanent on. You just scratch start and go from there. You put your amperage setting on the front panel and then scratch start and then you go. If you set it to remote, you have to have a remote actually turn the output on with a remote, and then you can adjust your output amperage there. Yo, that works. So user error, read the manual, it's everything there. Nothing wrong with the machine. Another thing that I found, 90% of the machines coming in with the totally burned up work lead, loose, so you're losing your power there. That also can causing you cannot strike an arc. So always make sure it's all clean, tight connections.